In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram Reels link. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here at the bottom center hit Add Reels icon. And now you can go through your Reels feed, and if you want to share some reel with your friends, let's say I like this video, all I have to do in that case is to hit right there at three dots icon and then among these options select link. I'll just hit add link, and now link has just been copied to my clipboard, and now I can hop out Instagram and use my messages or like a WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. I'll open up WhatsApp, and now I can open up some conversation, then double tap at text field and then hit paste and send this reel to my recipient. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.